Kalafalai atu, hane atu tola te walata tutupu ke lata ia matuli po nei. Greetings and kalafalai atu, these are our news bulletin for tonight. Kua keli e loa whakamua ke lata mai whahaloanga la pasala ke he whalinga ngau he nipongi ini nei. Groundbreaking for a 3.7 million solar panel site at the Niuefo Hospital. Taha e whahaloanga whakamooli e tau kumikumianga for whangmatangi whakamotu, a traditional knowledge workshop held last week. Taha e tulaki sepetiki fo, ne kua moa mai he whahitaktakai motu ke langmatai ai e whahinga hua. A new septic truck to manage sewage waste on the island. Kua keli e loa whakamua ke whamailonga ke matakawi, ne kua manaki ke tālanga e tau lapasola, ke moa mai e hila mai la ke he tāwhakaloanga he pungipungi neawhi. Koe matua palemia ko Sir Toke Tālangi, mo e komisina lahi a Nisilani, ko Ross Ardern, ne kua whamailonga e matakawi, ne kua manaki ke tālanga i, tahe a whi onesau e koloa lapasola. Ko molea e tolu poini fitu e miliona tāla, ne kua fuaki mai he whakatuwhono ha New Zealand ke lata mai matangahua nei. Pehe mai taki he matakau SOE, ko Wayne Harris Toa, koe ononoanga ke kamata whakangahua ke lang matai ke tukutuku hifo e whakaonga he tau loloela ke lata mai tau malolo hila he motu. Koe matakawi whakamua ne kua hahaiai e tau la pasola, ke moa e hila mai la ki tuila, pia foki mo e male wakalele, ke tolua ki koe whalinga ngau. Koe ono ke kamata tau se matakahua nei he whahitapuka hau, mai manaki ke whakatoatoa e tau ngahua he mahi naha sepetema he matahiko tau nei. Kai ke kua mau pōpo e tau la pasola, ke whanua he male he whalinga ngau, to liu e whakatuwhono ha New Zealand langmatai, ke he 5 miliona tāla, ke lata mai wala ke ua ki he whakaholoanga mo ua hila mai he la. The groundbreaking of the new site for the solar panel project was held yesterday morning on a short program at the Niuefo Hospital. Sir Toke Tālangi and the New Zealand High Commissioner, His Excellency Ross Ardern, did the honours of groundbreaking yesterday. The New Zealand government funded $3.7 million for the project. A total of 1,600 solar panels are to be built at the new site. According to State-Owned Enterprises Group President Wayne Harris Toa, that the aim of the project is for the solar panels to provide enough energy for the whole island and not be dependent on diesel-fueled generators at the Niue powerhouse. The first site of the panels were set up at the Niue Power Station in Tuila, the second at the Hannan Airport, and the Niuefo Hospital is the third location for the solar panel project. The project is to start next week and hopefully be completed by the end of September. Once the project is completed, $5 million will then be released from the Government of New Zealand to fund the second phase of the solar project at the Niuefo Hospital grounds. Kua tau se whai fōwhang matangi e tā whakaholoanga ke whai tau kua moale, ke whakamooli e tau kumikumianga ne ko mua mai he tau whakatutalanga, mai tau tupuna hangau ke fōwhang matangi whakamotu. Kua moa lang matai mai he matakau taha SPREP, pia fōki mai whahinga hua fōwhang matangi a Australia ke whakaputuputu e tau pulotu e motu. Ko Niue Samoa Vanuatu Solomona mo Tonga e tau motu e Pasifika, ne ko inga mo e whai whakaholoanga ke pota e tau pulotu, mo e tau taonga fōwhang matangi he tau tupuna ki loto e motu.
Tau pulotu, he motu, ne kua whakaonga ke lata mo e tau matangi, fufuahanga e matangi, poke e tau whakamoa, he tau tōle tau mapatua, lahi alo tōle ki whakaonga, alo tōle hala tau menei loa. Ke tau taonga ne whakianga e tau mamatua, e whao atara tau kei pāo, ke tau puhala ke hai whetau, hinga tau whetau mena ke whakamatapata lau tōru e tau ka kano e tau sitanga hoi pe, mga hoke toi uwhi, mga hoke o ke amaunga, mga hoke haie e tau mga ho mo e tau he matangi, ta pike matangi po ke mga aho ko po po ke aho po ke ta mga aho mo pupongi mo la mo fia pe ngasia e to mga aho mo ngasia e to hatu to mamatua mo halo to ono noanga ka pe to mga aho ni ko hanga mitaki ke tau se to mga hua ke la tama to takafanga po ke ngahua funua.
Mai he tau whakatutālanga mo e tau kumikumianga ko mai ke pata whakalataha ke he taha reports pia whoki mo e whakaulu e taha pepa glossary mo e ua e pepa whakatata.
Koe project nei kua o te toru e tau, ni whakatuai, ka mate wā whiahu matlima ni au mai e ore e tau workshop ke pehe e tau tangati o ange ke lata mo e hawhi e tau kupu mahuinga. He niwe ne kua lata po hai whee koe tau kupu mahuinga ne pata mai he tau I whafo, e ngau pālongi ka ngau ke wāki, ke ne kua lata ke whai whakakano, whakaliliu ke lata mai kupu niwe. Si koe pehea e raha koe workshop ke ka mai e tamani whafo, mo e hatu tōra tamani li hina nawhi motu ke ngā hua uloa. Koe workshop whoki ne ke lata mo e pihe haka validation. Diu ke tuku ake ke he tau tangata he workshop koe hako mōri na kai e tau mena ia kua whakamau he mtakau me he tau langamatai he tau tangata po ke hawhei whoki ke lawhiaki ke lunga ke pihe ka hake mua te hokuro he tau whakaweanga nei ke lata mo e atuhau.
Kua kisia e manako mo e mahuinga e tau matakupu he whahitapu kua mole ha kua tūmau e tonu mala tangata ke he whakatutālanga a to osi he mangaho a whiawhi. A climate traditional knowledge validation workshop was held at the Golf Club last week with elders around the island to confirm the traditional information that was gathered by the meteorological services and stakeholders. Niue Met has been working in conjunction with SPREP and the Australian Bureau of Meteorology for the last 4 years.
Initially, it's about the weather. What is Niue? Each country, Niue for example, have their own, our forefathers for example, have their own way of telling the weather and the relations they have. So it's about us now trying to understand and also capture and document this information for our future generation. It helps us understand what the signs are, so the observation. Eh? So before we've always looked at outside for signs, but now it's about really looking at what are the signs, the observation that we do have, the natural signs, for example. So that's one part of it. The other part is on the translations of the technical words that we use for weather forecasting and so forth into the Niuean language. Some of these words don't even have a specific Niuean interpretation or translation. So it's up to there is a group who works on it, and then they provide the information to the Language Commission, and then the Language Commission then endorse it, and then we have the glossary, in Niuean, the words in the English word and the Niuean word for it.
Niue is one of 5 countries in the Pacific that is involved in the Climate Traditional Knowledge Project, aiming to combine traditional knowledge with current meteorological forecasts to be used in extreme events within the Pacific or within the island.
There's a difference between weather and there's a difference between climate. What our mamatua is used to guide them for is the different seasons. That's where the climate is. They said, okay, today there's so much climate change. The climate's changing over the years, so it sort of gauges that things have changes, has evolved over the years. So things like, but there's also still some of the things that we understand. Some of these the core observations. For example, I've learned just recently, used is that there are signs. For example, the yam. If you plant the yam and the yam start to climb up the tree, then it's a good sign. If it doesn't, if it start to just crawl, there's another sign for it. There's the interpretation. But over the years, some of these things are starting to change because of the climate changes and that we have no control over. So for us, it's understanding that the parameters. This is what it was. Is it still valid today? Is it still doing that?
Niue, like any other Pacific island, have their own traditional knowledge. The project aims to combine weather knowledge handed down from generations with the current modern technology to find common indicators to predict future disasters. Ke mau nei ko hahaiai e taha whakaholoanga he whai taktakai motu ke pota e tau kumikumianga he whai ngahua me tuku ki loto he whakaholoanga lākau hila ke whakamukamuka ke maua whakaonga mo e whakawhanu ke tau tangata. Ko niwe taha he tau motu Hong Frumalima he Pasifika ne kua hahaiai ke he matangahua Inform Project kua amanaki ke whangahua ke he wha e tau tau. Ko mai ke he whakaholoanga nei ke whakaonga e tau kumikumianga ke he peka, lupe, me unga, me whalumanu foki, ke kisia kua malikisi na kai e tau numela, mai he mangaho ni kua tauwhi me pui pui e tau manu nei. Pe mai e takitaki ke he matangahua nei ko hage tonga tule, kua aonga lahi e whakaholoanga nei, ha kua whakamukamuka ki e tau puhala whakawhano, he tau kumikumianga, he whahinga hua, ke he tau matakau ni kua ngahua whakalataha i ki Loto Pasifika. Ke whai tap kua moale ni kua tau se e taha whakatutalaanga mo e whalu he tau whainga hua ke whakalaulahi e tau māmanga hangau ke matangahua Inform Project. Niue is one of 15 countries within the Pacific that is involved in the Inform Project. The project addresses 3 common problems and vulnerabilities in the Pacific, finding trends in different environmental resources, the challenges of gathering information, and access of information for those that need it. The portal will share and store information instead of important data and documents collecting dust and storage. Taha e plewa fi he whahi taktakai motu kua maua mai ke lata mo e tau whakaholoanga pa musipitiki he whahi ngahua. Kua plewa fi nei ne maua mo e tau langmatai mai whakatuwhanoa Australia mai kua whitani e tau whakailoanga ke whaihikianga ke tau tutungianga kai ke kua whakahua i e tulaki nei. Ko pehe mai e hukui he whahi taktakai motu ko e tulaki whau nei kua lahi mai he tulaki sipitiki tuai. Kua amanaki ke hake e tau totongi, ha kua tau uka e tau loloela, mo e kua malikisi foki e tau totongi ke lata mo e whakaonganga he tulaki. Ke he tau hikianga kua manaki ke 7.5 ke totongi ke lata mo e tau lotukaina mai he 5.5 e tau tāla. Ke lata mo e tau tula i whafo he tau mga hunga hua, he whahi taktakai motu ko e tahe seo me 5.5 e tau tāla. Tahe seo e tāla ke lata mo e tau pisinisi ma ia he 5.5 e tau tāla. Amana ke whainga hua taktakai motu ke whangahua e tau totongi ang whau nei he kamatai he ahotaha ia me. The Environment Department received a new septic truck to help remove and dispose sewage waste on the island. The vehicle was sourced with the help of Australian government to assist the current sewage truck that has been in service for the last 20 years. According to the Environment Department, with the increased capacity and the fuel rates rising, these were all applied within the new charges. The charge for residential areas is $75 from $56. Businesses are charged $100 and for charges outside of working hours are $150 from $100. The new septic truck services charges will be enforced on the 1st of May. And that is all of our news bulletin for tonight. Ko es menea de tolo atau wala tala tutupu ke lata ia moe pūli he pōnei. Kia nono wha moe kia munuina.